Hi everyone, I hope you having a good day today and welcome back to our Apple Bold YouTube channel. Do you have Apple issues or some errors? Or you have stuck logo errors like this video? If you do, on this video, I will show you how to fix issues, stuck logo, boot loop, or black screen without data loss. On this video, iOS System Repair 2024. iPhone stuck in recovery mode, iPad won't charge or turn on, Apple TV went to black screen. Don't worry. First step, plug your iPhone devices to your computer. Make sure that is connected and detected. Make sure you have a good cable to connect it. Open this website. You can find this website link on description video below. Or you can find on Google iMyFone Fix Pro Recovery. iMyFone Fix Pro, best free iOS system recovery and repair tools, have many features. Update to the latest iOS 17 and iOS 17 supported. Downgrade from iOS 17 without iTunes. Instantly enter or exit recovery mode on iOS devices for free. One click to reset iPhone Touch without passwords. Fix your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch or Apple TV without losing data, and many more features. You can download this iMyFone Fix Pro for free and available on Windows, macOS, Android and iOS. I really recommended you for using this iMyFone Fix Pro tools. After you download these tools, make sure you already installed and open this iMyFone Fix Pro tools. It will bring you to System Repair, Apple System Repair, Recovery Mode Exit or Enter, Reset iDevices, and iOS Upgrade or Downgrade Mode. For example, I will show you Start Repair. You can choose Standard Mode or Advanced Mode. Click Standard Repair. Before starting repair, you need to download or import the firmware. Then click Download. Wait for downloading firmware. Make sure you have a good connection for downloading the firmware. After downloading has finished, make sure you can click Start Standard Repair. To begin repairing your device, make sure it's connected to the computer and follow the steps below to put in recovery or DFU mode. Make sure notification has like this video successfully fixed. Go back to check your iPhone devices. It will make your iPhone is back normal again. Like this video. Easily right. I really recommended you to use iMyFone Fix Pro tools for help your iPhone problems and issues. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you next on our another video.